Hello, I'm Dr. Sanjog Mekewar. I'm consultant interventional spine and pain physician in Sahyadri Hospital, Deccan branch. Today, I am here to give you answers to some of the what if questions that many patients encounter in their lives. Confused? So first, let me tell you these what if questions. What if you are suffering from chronic pain and you have been advised a surgery for treatment of that pain, but you don't want to undergo that surgery? What if you are suffering from chronic pain that can be neck pain, back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, cancer pain, but you are not fit to undergo that surgery? What if you are suffering from chronic pain, but you are in the initial stage of the disease? You have been prescribed medications, physiotherapy, but still you are suffering from pain on day-to-day basis. What if you have undergone a surgery and you are still suffering from the same pain? The answer to all these what if questions is interventional pain management. Interventional pain management is a branch of medicine which deals with treatment of these kind of patients with the use of most advanced non-invasive or minimally invasive technologies like radiofrequency ablation, cryoablation, ozone therapy, spinal cord stimulation, peripheral nerve stimulation, intrathecal pumps, and many of such kind of technologies. I am very happy to share with you that we are providing all these technologies and facilities in our Sahyadri Hospital Deccan branch. I will be available for my services in Deccan Hospital on Tuesdays and Fridays from 12 to 2 p.m. I'll be very happy to help you in treatment of your chronic pain conditions and help you get back to your normal life. If you have any queries regarding pain clinic, pain management, and what are the services which are provided through a pain clinic, then you can very well write to us in the comment section. We will get back to you. Thank you.